I connect a pen drive but copy and paste to the drive is not working. I copy a file, but there is no option to paste inside the pen drive. Step 1. If there are important files in the pen drive, they should be backed up. Step 2. You need to change the external pen drive formats. This is your external drive and it has NTFS format, you need to change it. Now select the external drive and then select Erase. Now the external drive format is changed to exFAT. Now you can copy and paste any item from MacBook to pen drive. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and share.